CVMC, ECE, NMMC, EEE. Unit 5, Vector Integration. Vector integration. Lesson 5. Problem 11. Evaluate integral over S F bar dot N bar ds, where F bar is equal to 18z I bar minus 12j bar plus 3yk bar. 3yk bar. And S is the part of the surface of the plane 2x plus 3y plus 6z is equal to 12, located in the first octant. Solution. Given F bar is equal to 18z I bar minus 12j bar plus 3yk bar. Consider phi is equal to your surface of the plane 2x plus 3y plus 6z. Take 12 this side, minus 12. We have to find n bar. Formula del phi by mod del phi. Del phi is I bar dou phi by dou x plus j bar dou phi by dou y plus k bar dou phi by dou z by mod del phi is equal to dou phi by dou x. Partial derivative with respect to x, 2. So 2y bar. Dou phi by dou y, partial derivative with respect to y, 3. Plus 3j bar. Partial derivative with respect to z, 6z derivative, 6. 6k bar. By root over 4 plus 9 plus 36 is equal to 2y bar plus 3j bar plus 6k bar by root 49, 7. Let R be the projection of S on xy plane. Then integral over S F bar dot N bar ds formula. Integral over S or double integral over R, region R. F bar dot N bar ds formula on the xy plane dx dy by mod n bar dot k bar. This is equal to double integral F bar dot n bar f bar dot n bar dx dy by mod n bar dot k bar. Your n bar is this one dot k bar 6 by 7. 6 by 7 is equal to double integral over r f bar 18z I bar minus 12j bar plus 3y k bar dot n bar 1 by 7 2y bar plus 3j bar plus 6k bar f bar dot n bar dx dy by 6 by 7. 6 by 7. 7 cancel. 1 by 6 double integral dot product I bar coefficients 2 into 18 36z minus 36 j bar dot j bar 1 k bar dot k bar 1 6 into 3 18y dy dx. Now we have to write limits. How to write limits? What is our surface of the plane? 2x plus 3y plus 6z is equal to 12. On xy plane, z is equal to 0. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. From this 3y is equal to 12 minus 2x. From this y is equal to 12 minus 2x by 3. Y limits are 0 to 12 minus 2x by 3. First octant means positive octant. Starts from 0. Put y is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12 by 2, 6. X limits are 0 to 6. Now your integral I is equal to 1 by 6 integral 0 to 6 integral 0 to 12 minus 2x by 3 36 z 36z. Your z is 12 minus 2x minus 3y by 6 z value minus 36 plus 18y. Only two variables. First with respect to y, next with respect to x is equal to so we get 6 here 6 times. So simple dividing by 6 cancel into 0 to 6 to 0 to 12 minus 2x by 3 6 cancel 12 minus 2x minus 3y 36 by 6 minus 6 18 by 6 3y plus 3y minus 3y cancel dy dx. So 0 to 6 0 to 6 12 minus 6 6 minus integral 0 to 12 minus 2x by 3 12 minus 6 minus 2x dy dx. 0 to 6. First integrate with respect to y. We get integral dy is y. So 6 minus 2x into integral dy y. 0 to 12 minus 2x by 3 dx is equal to 0 to 6. 6 minus 2x, upper limit minus lower limit. 12 minus 2x by 3 minus 0 need not write. Dx is equal to 1 by 3 into 0 to 6. 72 minus 12x minus 24x plus 4x square plus 4x square dx. 1 by 3 into 0 to 6. 4x square minus 36x plus 72 dx. 1 by 3. 4x cube by 3 integration. 36x square by 2. 72x. 0 to 6 is equal to 1 by 3 upper limit. So for substituting upper limit here we get this one, lower limit 0. So you write this way, write this way. This is the way of getting calculations. Problem 12. Evaluate integral f bar dot n bar ds, where f bar is equal to zi bar plus xj bar minus 3y square zk bar, and S is the surface x square plus y square is equal to 16 included in the first octant between z is equal to 0 and z is equal to 5. Solution diagram: x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. A, B, C, D, E. Here z is equal to 5, z is equal to 0. Your required surface is ABDEA surface. The surface S is the curved surface. ABDEA. ABDEA. Now, what is your phi? Consider phi is x square plus y square minus 16. What is del phi? I bar definition: dou phi by dou x plus j bar dou phi by dou y plus k bar dou phi by dou z is equal to dou phi by dou x. Phi derivative with respect to x, 2x I bar. Phi derivative with respect to 2y j bar 0. So your normal vector, unit normal vector, unit normal vector small n bar is equal to del phi by mod del phi is equal to del phi 2xi bar plus 2yj bar by modulus I bar coefficient whole square 4x square plus 4y square is equal to 2x I bar plus 2y j bar by root over 4 into x square plus y square 2x I bar plus 2y j bar by root over 4 into what is our x square plus y square is given 16 is equal to 2x I bar plus 2y j bar by 4 into 60, 64 root 64, 8, 2 cancel, xi bar plus yj bar by 4. Let R be the projection of S bracket. What is the surface here? AB DE. ABDEA. That is the surface projection of S on YZ plane or XZ plane. Take anyone. Take anyone, either this or this. You do both way. Suppose taking a projection of S on YZ plane, what is your ds? dy dz by mod n bar dot I bar. Mod n bar dot I bar. Now we find n bar dot I bar. What is n bar? xi bar plus yj bar by 4 dot I bar. I bar dot I bar is 1. So we get x by 4. J bar dot I bar is 0. So we get x bar only. F bar dot n bar. What is your f bar? Zi bar plus xj bar minus 3y square z k bar dot. What is your n bar? Xi bar plus yj bar by 4. So nothing but 1 by 4 I bar coefficients xz multiplying I bar coefficients xz multiplying j bar coefficients plus xy. So x by 4 to y plus z. X by 4 into y plus z. This is f bar dot n bar. Now surface integral I is equal to integral over s f bar dot n bar ds double integral over r f bar dot n bar is x by 4 y plus z ds dy dz by mod n bar dot I bar. So x by 4. So x by 4 cancel. In this problem, double integral y plus z dy dz. Now we have to take the limits. Your x square plus y square is equal to 16. So on yz plane, x is equal to 0. So y square is equal to 16. Y is equal to plus or minus root 16 plus or minus 4. But you take only 4 first octant. First octant means positive octant. So y limits are 0 to 4. Z limits are already given in the problem. 0 to 5. Now I is equal to integral 0 to 4, integral 0 to 5, y plus z dy dz, dy dz, integral 0 to 4, integral 0 to 5, y plus z. First you integrate with respect to z, next integrate with respect to y. 0 to 4, integrating with respect to z, y constant, yz plus z square by 2, 0 to 5 dy. 0 to 4, upper limit, instead of z you write 5. 5y plus 25 by 2 dy. Now integration with respect to y, 5y square by 2 plus 25 by 2 dy y. 0 to 4, 5 y square 4 square 16 by 2 plus 25 by 2 into 4. This is the upper limit. Lower limit y0, 0 minus 0, 0 plus 0, 0. 40 plus 50 is equal to 90. On xz plane, your ds is dx dz by mod n bar dot j bar. So on xz plane, y is equal to 0. So x square is equal to 16, x is equal to plus or minus 4, x is equal to 4, x limits. This is the way of doing another way. For suppose taking xz plane, we have to do this way, yz plane this way.